What up guys, welcome back to Polaric's Garage, and we're gonna go check out Proline Drifting Championships round 2. We're at Home Depot right now. I had to go pick up some stuff for the 240, and yeah, we'll head over to the track. Alright guys, so we made it to the track. Let's go check out the drivers. Hi Alex! Oh shit, check it out, it's Mercedes Garage with the gimbal and shit. Oh shit. Gotta get that shot, man. Oh yeah, get the shot. Oh, we got this strange fella right here, Mr. John Respicio, driver of the Cars Plus Drift Genesis. What's up, Aaron? Long time no see. Huh? All right. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, look at this truck. Look at this Hilux. God damn, this Hilux. DC2. Whoa. What is this? Go check out some of these guys. Oh shit, it's the infamous guys. What's up, bar? Oh shit, the driver of the Cadillac don't want to be shown. Who's this? Oh my goodness. What's up, cuz? Long time. Oh shit, is the 300Z competing? No. Why not? Just try it out. Look who we got here, the champion from round 1, Mr. Carl Dumasig. Oh shit, the champion, round 1. Is he gonna take it again? We will find out. Super. And we got Josh Barcias making a comeback with the 350Z. Nanya. Super. Nanya. Check it out, making a comeback. This time 2 more liters.
But still putting 4 quarts on.
What? And he passed. Everyone, it's Andy Pass. Welcome to the channel. My inspiration to finish my KAT eventually, one day. Alright, so we got 7 drivers. Oh yeah. Let's get it. So that was the end of qualifying. The judges up there, they're gonna go ahead and deliberate who and figure out how the bracket or the tandem matches are gonna be. So yeah, we'll see. It's kind of a rough little qualifying, but we'll find out. Looks like we have a winner. Carl spinning out in the middle of the course. But yeah, I think that's it. That is it. We'll find out who placed third. And then yeah, so it looks like it's Rex first, Carl second, and I'm not sure if it's Alex or John for third. We'll find out. Here are the winners. Third place, John Respicio in the Drift Genesis. Carl Dumasig in second. And then first place, Rex DeSale from Power Move. Okay, I got my helmet on. I'm gonna try to catch the ride along. John! Mr. John! Fuck! Go! 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 Hey, Carl! Wait! Can I ride? I'm with Kinemaster. Last round's champion, this round second place, but still good.
Shoot. Ready?
Ah, the guns!
Window!
Oh shit. This one too? Uh oh. Someone's calling. Still good par. Learning.
That's what I said, I got lucky.
Oh, we got spot. Too much. No? Oh shit. Well, good thing no one was following us.